292 with 6.81.
Over here.
American Samoa, when you're ready, you can grab a hold of the rope.
It's American Samoa team right
Really
there.
good grip.
Of course, Hawaiian Airlines flies to American Samoa. We are very fortunate enough to have all of you here. This is poll number 1 of 2. Hawaii, here on American Samoa. Let's do it.
They look ready.
Poll 1 in 3, 2, 1.
Here we go. Big time pull. That plane is moving. Halfway through. It's gaining steam. And time. Nicely done. Nicely done for a first pull for Lea Tapuitea. Unofficial time, Lea Tapuitea, about 9.3 seconds. About 9.3. So you're under the 10 mark. Let's see if you can improve here on the second pull. Give you time to catch your breath as they remark the 12-foot stick. Great hit through here.
The momentum is great from the start. You got to be explosive from the start. The momentum, once you got going, is great.
Truly, God bless you and the crew. All the best here. Okay, when you're ready, take the rope. We're all going to be cheering hard. All for a good cause. Here we go. Pole number 2 in 3, 2, 1. A little bit of a better start here for Lea Tapuitea. And time. By my time, it was a better second pull than it was on the first pull. So we shall see what the time is here. This team from American Samoa. Coach, what's the official time for Lea Tapuitea?
8.63!
Hey!
Again, any time under 10 seconds is amazing. You guys did a great job.
Woo! Hey!